The ketogenic diet is gaining popularity, and for good reason. Many people are finding it to be a sustainable and effective way to lose weight and improve their health. Unlike many fad diets that come and go, the ketogenic approach is more of a lifestyle shift, focusing on real, wholesome foods and minimizing processed foods and sugars. The ketogenic diet can be easily incorporated into your life. It's about making conscious, informed choices about the foods you consume. The ketogenic diet is all about significantly reducing carbohydrate intake. When you drastically lower carbs, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates. The primary goal of the ketogenic diet is to shift your metabolism from carb-dependent to fat-dependent. This leads to steady, sustainable weight loss and often brings about increased energy levels and mental clarity. Typically, a ketogenic diet consists of 70 to 80% of your daily calories from healthy fats. About 20 to 25% comes from protein sources, and only a minimal 5 to 10% of your calories come from carbs. The ketogenic diet is not just about weight loss. People experience a range of health benefits from this way of eating. Many find that their blood sugar levels stabilize, leading to better control of blood sugar. Furthermore, many experience improved mental clarity and focus on keto. The diet can even have positive effects on cholesterol levels, often showing improvements in good cholesterol. Starting and maintaining the ketogenic diet can be easier than you think. Begin by clearing your pantry of processed foods, sugary drinks, and starchy carbs. Stock up on whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on consuming plenty of healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Enjoy protein from sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day.